abasore muzamwigisha abana banyu ijambo ry'Imana.
Yesa nk'ibisanzwe ni kure ya Foso wa Yesu. Mbere tubanje kubiriza mwebwe mwese abo bwije abo bukeye namwe nimwaramutse. Uyu munsi twifuje kuganira namwe ndetse tubazanira n'umutumirwa nk'uko mubibona kuri kamera. Turi kumwe n'umutumirwa wacu, umwana ukiri mutoya cyane. Reka tubanze tuze kumusaba kugira ngo atwibwire. Api bite? Umeze neza? Bakwita nde? Bakwita Happy Rebecca? Ngaho vuga cyane kugira ngo twumve. Bakwita Happy Rebecca? Utuye Api? Utuye Fort? Igo? Papa wawe ninde?
Rutabara.
Papa wawe ni Rutabara? Naho mama wawe?
Yamuseye.
Uri umuki?
Ndi umusinzira.
Umusinzira. Yes, nk'uko mubyumva yitwa Happy Rebecca. Akaba ari umwana ukiri mutoya ariko wo kwibaza ngo ese adufitiye iki? Ngicyo nico dushaka ko muri buze kumva kandi ciza. Bibiri ijambo ry'Imana rizatubwira ngo utoze umwana ngo inzira akiri muto ngo azarinda asaza atarayivamo. Rero uyu nguyu nawe ababyeyi biwe ni nkaho bamutoje umuco mwiza w'ijambo ry'Imana. Rero nico dushaka ko aza kudusangiza kuri uno munsi. Akaba ari umwana ufite mu mutwe hafata cyane, akaba yarafashe ijambo ry'Imana muri we. Ijambo ry'Imana kandi ryongera rikatubwira ngo nimba tibeshe ni Dawidi wabivuze ngo nabikiye ijambo ryawe mu mutima wanje kugira ngo ntazagucumuraho. Rero nawe ni nkako yabigenje, yabikiye ijambo ry'Imana muri we kugira ngo rimukuze atazayicumuraho. Rero akaba agiye kuritubwira kandi yarifashe mu rurimi rutari n'urwiwe. Benshi abakuze no kurifata mu rurimi rwabo birabagora, ariko we yabifashe mu rurimi rutari n'urwiwe. Rero Happy, wafashe ijambo ry'Imana mu mutwe? Yego. Mu Cyongereza? Yego. Ngawe dusubiriremo iryo wafashe.
John chapter 1 verse 1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God, and the Word was God. He was with God in the beginning. Through him all things were made. Without him nothing was made that has been made. In him was life, and that life was the light of all mankind. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness shall not overcome it. There was a man sent from God, whose name was John. He came as the next to the children that given to every was coming into the world. He was in the world, and though the world was made through him, the world did not recognize him. He came to that which was his own, but his own did not receive him. Yet to all who receive him, to those who believe in his name, he gave the right to become children of God. Children born of natural descent, no human decision, a husband but born of the Word became flesh and made dwelling among us. We have seen his glory, the glory of the Word and only Son, who came from the Father, full of grace and truth. Don't expect concerning him. He cried out, saying, this is the one I spoke about when he said, a man who comes has about me because before me. After gratefulness, we are all received grace in praise already given. For the law was given to Moses, grace and truth came through Jesus Christ. No one has ever seen God, but the one and only Son, who came from the Father, full of grace and truth. Don't afraid concerning him. He cried out, saying, this is the one I spoke about when he said, The man who comes after me has surpassed me because before me. As for gratefulness, we are all recipients in praise already given. For the law was given through Moses, grace and truth through Jesus. No one has ever seen God but the one and only Son who came from the Father, full of grace and truth. John the first concerning him.
Ndagira ngo muramwiyumviye umwana yifitemo impano y'ijambo ry'Imana yarifashe no mu mutwe yaribikiye muri we kugira ngo nakura ndetse no mu myaka yiwe y'ubutoya rikomeze rimurinde kubera kuko uko umuntu atunga ijambo ry'Imana ari muri we niko arushaho no kwaguka. Rero reka tuze gusoza ikiganiro cyacu. Inama imwe gusa wabwira ababyeyi hape niko wabwira ababyeyi.
Ababyeyi muzamigisha abana banyu ijambo ry'Imana.
Ababyeyi bazaza bigisha abana babo ijambo ry'Imana. Rero tukaba dusoje ikiganiro dukangurira ababyeyi kugira ngo batoze abana ijambo ry'Imana. Imana ikomeze ibarinde kandi biteho. Ciao ciao.